This is how we make blueberry and lemon cake. So I have got sugar and butter in this bowl, and I'm gonna cream it till it's soft and fluffy. So you're gonna lower it, and then you turn it on, and then you wait. So we are going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, into this bowl. You don't want to get any shell in there. And then you pour the 1 egg into here. And then we're gonna blend it. Make sure to put it down first, because she done that once and she didn't put it down and it just exploded everywhere. So it goes fast. Makes lovely music. And then you plop the other egg in, crack it. Ew! I should give her the shells. And then you tip this lovely egg into this bowl, which is not very exciting. Put it down. So when you gotta watch it, because when the egg has mixed in with it and you can't see any more egg, you stop it. And so after that, you have to put the little bowl that we cracked the eggs in on the scale and set it to 0. You measure 140 grams of yogurt and then a teaspoon of lemon extract, and then you're going to pour it into this. Whee! Sorry guys, back to business. In the thing. Hello everyone. So, we have got 225 grams in this jug of flour, 85 grams of blueberries with flour, because if you don't put flour on them, they will sink to the bottom of your batter. So yeah, we're gonna pour a little bit of the flour at a time into there. Bulb. Bulb. There. And then you wanna put it on a, turn that on there.
Yeah, don't do that.
You want to put it on a low setting, because you're going to put more in. Okay, that's good. And then you open it again, and then you put more. I'm going to put quite a lot in this time. Oh, it's looking good now. But I wouldn't like to eat it not by itself.
1 eternity later.
No! Oh. Nothing to see there. Let's try that again. Wow! Make sure to don't delete that bit. Once all the flour is mixed in, you take it out the machine and pour all of your blueberries in it. And flour. Don't stir it like because you need to get as much, it needs to get as much air as it. This is hurting my arm. After you put the blueberries in, you need to transfer it into here, into a loaf tin. Wait. Let's just wait.
One eternity later.
Now it's going in the oven for an hour. See when it's ready. Bye. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked what I was doing or making, please like and subscribe.